There are many side hustle videos that I have watched and have yet to see a designated one for home decor and DIY enthusiasts like myself. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. In this video, I will be sharing with you side hustles that you can do just to earn an extra dollar if you're a person who is very handy and love to do stuff around the home and other stuff. Now, the first side hustles that you can start on the side is a home cleaning service business. Now, there are a lot of Airbnb short-term rental property out there. There are a lot of persons who are busy and don't have any time, and this is a cleaning service that you can start on the side. Now, you can always get your cleaning tools and your materials and charge by the hour, or you can charge for the day, depending on where you are and the service that you will offer. Now, you will want to advertise your cleaning service, and you can do this through YouTube, you can do this through Facebook, Instagram, and so on. The next side hustle that you can start is custom woodworking or carpentry. There are many persons out there that love ready-made furniture. They want shelves, they want different built-in units. If you're a person that is handy with saws and boards and different type of wood and so, you can always create a side hustle doing this business. So on the side, you can always start with small stuff like little shelves or little tables. You can also design artwork using wood. So there are many side hustles out there regarding this woodwork. It's a wider range. However, you can start off little if you do a 9 to 5 job and you don't have enough time, but start a side hustle doing what you love. Now, the next side hustle on my list is DIY home decor tutorials. Now, you can create a side hustle showcasing different DIY projects. For example, you have seen me create so many DIY projects. I'm not a pro in this, but these are simple DIYs that I've done, and persons have asked me if I was selling those pieces. For example, my favorite fan cover DIY mirror wall art, and recently I also did the art piece behind me, which is out of gift bag. Remember, some persons love the uniqueness of certain pieces. They love to know where it's coming from, especially if you have a story. So DIY artwork, you can start with a YouTube channel. You can start creating DIYs and put it on TikTok, Instagram. Those are places where you can start off with. Also, word of mouth. So these are side hustles that are great for word of mouth as well. So this is a side hustle doing what you love. If you're a person that loves to make homemade products such as candles, pillows, cushions, and so on, this is a side hustle that is very big now that you can always start. There are many persons out there that buy cushion covers. So if you're into the field where you can sew on those stuff, you can always create cushion covers. You can always create some nice decorative pillows. You can create pillows based on the season. So you know spring is coming up, you buy some nice decorative fabric for spring with your pastel colors, some nice trees or flowers and so, and create nice cushions or cushion covers. You can also create pillows. You can also make candle if you're a person that into candle, and also make sure you capture those visuals as well, so those can turn into tutorials where you can showcase them on different social media platforms and just earn a little extra dollar on the side. Now, this is a big one, and there are a lot of persons that have an eye for details. You know how to decorate, you have the rules of interior design part, or you have been to school where you have done little interior design or so on the side, or you just teach yourself. This is a way where you can do some consulting. So there are many persons that are doing home staging, building homes. They are moving into new homes. They are moving out of their family home into their own home and would love to get some consultation on their home. So it can be one space in their home, a bathroom, a living room. It can be small home, it can be rental home. So you can be a consultant to those persons, and some of these work can be done online and offline as well. Just try to get some testimonials from previous clients. What you can do if you don't have any person that really pay to do the job, do some free work with your family and friends. Get those visuals, get those pictures, and those can be some images and stuff that you can use to create your portfolio so you can showcase it to others. This is a business where you can make extra dollars in, and it can also become a full-time job as well. And since I mentioned interior design consulting, Home staging is another way that you can use to make extra dollars. So there are many people that are selling their home, they are renting Airbnbs, and they want person to stage their home. So if your person know how to arrange furniture, decorate space, organize space, this is a side hustle that you can start on the side to make some extra dollars, because there are many persons out there that really selling in their property and they would want to have beautiful pieces in their home to get it sell quicker. So just create a portfolio as well. Some of these you need to start and create portfolio. You might not earn same time, but in the long run it will pay off. Home staging is a popular one right now that you can use to make some extra dollars on the side. And next side also that you can offer is wallpapering service. Now, you know I love using wallpaper, and not many persons know how to use or handle wallpaper or the different types of wallpaper and all. So wallpapering service is a service by itself that you can offer to clients. So there are many homes that really would love to change the look of their home using beautiful wallpaper that they have seen, and wallpaper service come in when you know how to install and how to organize and know the type of wallpaper to use in certain places or on certain type of textured products or walls. Another side hustle that you can start is window treatment service. This includes installation of blinds, curtains, and shutters. So your window treatment, your blinds and so on. Not many persons know how to install blinds, know how to buy the correct size and all. So a window treatment service right now would be a good side hustle as well. In terms of curtain, there are some homes that have high ceiling, they don't know how to install their curtain rods. These are simple side hustles that you can start on the side, and you'll be surprised how many persons really would use your service. Not everyone is very handy with nails and drills and so, especially females that live alone. This is a service that I know a lot of females would use, and a lot of persons that are not very handy with. This is a great side hustle that you can make the extra dollars on. And next side hustle that you can start is a home organization service. So if you're organized, detail oriented, love to declutter, this is a service that you can offer to homeowners or persons that are moving, and so I would love to get their space organized. It can be persons that are moving out or persons that are moving in. There are some persons as well that offer this service and they make a lot of dollars per hour. So most of these persons charge per hour, and it is really a decluttering home organization service. You can do it room by room, and this is a service that you can charge if you're a person that just love to organize and have a detail for these type of stuff. So guess what? Think about it. If you're a person that loves to do these stuff, it is a great side hustle that you can start. You'll be surprised how many persons out there that need someone to help them declutter their home. Paint and wall finishing services is another side hustle that you can try out. So if you're a person that is good on designing, drawing, creating 3D art, this side hustle is just for you. So this includes accent wall, textures wall, murals. You can do different rooms. You can charge per room or per square feet. So different areas of the home, you can paint the whole home, and these are great for home and businesses. So if you're a person that loves to paint and love these type of artworks, this side hustle is just for you. Landscaping and gardening service is another side hustle that you can make big bucks from, and this can also become a full-time job. Just imagine you're charging different yards and you can cut multiple yards in a day. So for example, it's a day off and you can cut 5 or 4 different yards. That is a side hustle that can make some extra money on the side. And also, if you buy different lawnmower, this can also become a full-time business where you have different branches or outlets for different areas, states, or parishes. So furniture refurbishing is another way that you can make extra dollars on the side. Now you can buy old furniture for low price and DIYing them, spraying them, changing hardware, and selling them for higher prices. Thank you again for watching. If you love this video, you will love the next video on screen. See you on this video.